and to acknowledge the bravery of PF's gallant air warriors. Two symbolic formations will present a flypast in front of you. If you throw your gaze on the horizon in front of you, you will shortly pick up the first 5-ship formation comprising of all fighter platforms, signifying the spirit of swift retort and the enduring resolve of PF. It is being led by Wing Commander Bozar, Officer Commanding Number 29 Aggressor Squadron. On his left wing are Wing Commander Imran and Wing Commander Ibrahim, while on his right wing are Squadron Leader Salman and Squadron Leader Musharraf. Following closely behind will be the 3-ship of Pride of Pakistan, the JF-17 Thunders. The Black Panthers of number 16 Squadron will be led by Wing Commander Sarmad, Flight Commander Operations number 16 Squadron, while on his wings will be Squadron Leader Basim and Squadron Leader Hamad. Ladies and gentlemen, rising from the backdrop of the horizon, here is the Black Panther formation about to execute the linear bomb burst. Ladies and gentlemen, be it day or night, we will remain ever vigilant and ready to defend the aerial frontiers of our motherland and give a befitting response if the enemy ever dares to challenge us.